The inspection comes at a time when the country is experiencing reduced inflows into our major reservoirs, following a prolonged period of below average rainfall across key catchment areas. I think that's what one of you is alluding to. While hydrological conditions remain challenging, I wish to assure Kenyans that KenGen continues to provide a stable and reliable supply of electricity. This resilience is a direct result of our deep expertise in water resource management, disciplined operational planning, and decades of experience in sustainable hydropower generation within Seven Forks system. As of Wednesday, that is yesterday, January 21st of this year, the reservoir levels across the Seven Forks cascade were actually at this Masinga had gone down by about 3 meters. You go to Kamburu, it had gone down by about 1 meter, and in Gitaru, a few meters, that is 0.5 meters, and Kindaruma had gone down by about 2 meters, and finally Kiambere had also gone down by about 3 meters.
As you know, we just came. Our first point of call was the proposed to High Grand Falls Dam in Tharaka constituency, in Tharaka Nithi County. We want to be able to establish or build a mega dam, multipurpose dam that is going to help us deal with many problems, including containing flooding downstream, including enhancing irrigation capacity, and therefore contributing to food security, but more importantly, generating additional power, electricity. In fact, we estimate that that dam should be able to generate about 700 megawatts of electricity, which is the largest possible generation in one particular dam, in a single dam in this country so far. And that's a very, very big plan. I've also mentioned about the solar power generation down here of about 42.5 megawatts. Okay, so we are going to see more and more generation of electricity in tandem with our increasing population, in tandem with our industrialization pace.